Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off call flash light in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, I am making a call from another phone and see what is the problem. See here call is coming and screen is flashing. Also in the back side call flash light is turned on. Okay, so if you want to stop this call flash light, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings first, then go to accessibility, then go to advanced settings, then go to flash notification, and go to turn off camera flash notification and screen flash notification. Now you will not receive any call flash. I am checking now. I make a call from another phone and I check. See here call is coming, but screen flash and camera flashlight is not turned on. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off camera flash call flash light in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.